This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2019 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet Football 3-box break, eBay break. October 25th, 2019. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got C. Krolick rocking the Vikings, Giants, Redskins, Chargers, and Saints. J. Loudon 1 with the Seahawks and Titans. DPD 87310_2 Rams, Jets, Panthers, Jaguars. ARB 511 Chiefs, Raiders, Steelers, Bears, Cowboys, Packers, Texans, and 49ers. Ven-4377 with the Buccaneers. Leafy Vegetables, Lions, and Colts. Ven-4377 also with the Eagles. The Premiership Club, Cardinals and Dolphins. Upstate Cards 74 with the Patriots. JM Sports Cards 716 with the Broncos. Indy _9839 Browns. Bakes Box Breaks with the Bengals. CHAEDWACHA with the Bills. Kristen Bruins M-0 with the Ravens. And Falcons Collections 13 rocking the Falcons. That is your full lineup, guys. All right, we got 3. 1, 2, and 3 autographed mini helmets, Gold Rush Series 4, latest edition. All right, it is go time. We've got your first mini helmet here coming at you right now. Good luck, everybody. Mini helmet number 1. Front and center. First mini helmet, Houston Oilers. Mr. Robert Brazil. Little Hall of Fame inscription there as well. JSA certification there on the back, and your certification right there. Oilers striking first. That will be going to the Titans. So your Titans strike first. Nice Brazil autographed mini helmet. J. Loudon 1. Congrats. Rocking the Titans. Mr. Brazil Oilers going to the Titans. Mini helmet number 2 sliding up here. Mini helmet number 2 coming at you. Here we go. Ooh, what do we got here? Blaze alternate. Wow, that is one sweet looking helmet. Redskins. Yeah, we all know that autograph. Mr. Alex Smith. That Blaze alternate helmet looks so sweet. Beckett COA. And Beckett COA in the bottom. Redskins on the board. Nice Alex Smith. Blaze alternate autograph. Mini helmets. C. Krolick on the board. Redskins. Real nice Alex Smith autographed mini helmet. Blaze alternate. Love that gold in there. Yeah, that's nice. Redskins. Alright, we got one mini helmet left. Alright, mini helmet number 3. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Oh, boy. We're going out with a bang. Going out with a bang. Yeah, we know that autograph. Congrats to the Niners. Yeah, that's Jerry Rice. Number 80 inscription. The Hall of Famer. The best wide receiver of all time, arguably. Beckett COA. Beckett COA in the bottom in there. Jerry Rice for the Niners autographed mini helmet. Niners with a huge hit. Congrats, ARB 511. Yeah, that's a beauty. That's a beauty. Jerry Rice autograph mini helmet, Niners. throwback. Congratulations to the Titans. Congratulations to the Redskins on your Alex Smith. Titans with the Brazil. And the Niners, Jerry Rice. Jerry Rice. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. Really, really appreciate it. I'll be sticking around, not going anywhere. We still got another break coming up at 11, guys. Don't forget, cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay, guys. Thank you so much.